In this video, I'll show you how to change the knob on a Stradic, my new Stradic 2500 FK from the stock to a new power knob. A couple of videos ago, six fishermen and a fish, you would have noticed I got smoked by either a small kingy or a decent sized trevor. So I went off and was over at my in-laws at the time, so I showed my parents, and I went to check out the local anaconda.
Oh no!
And was thinking about getting a Stradic FL, which looks like a really nice reel, but as I was looking around, I found this. It's the FK 2500, and it was on the clearance shelf. What was the retail price? It was 199 bucks, but they were selling it for 130. And you know what, my it's just crazy. I thought, there's no way I can pass that up. Love the Stradic, love the Saragosas, as you know. So yeah, I picked this up for 130 bucks. That is cheap. Even the guy at ISO was saying that that's below cost price, man. So feeling pretty lucky. Posted up on the in our group WhatsApp, and a few of the boys started calling all the anacondas to see if there's any left, but it's just a matter of luck, I guess. Just like when you catch a kingy. So yeah, there you go, man. Smooth as. See, this is what my 5000 used to feel when I just bought it. Look at that. All right, so now what I'm going to do is pimp it out. So we're going to change this to a new power knob I got from ISO. So 60. Got this today. It's going to make it look awesome. But yeah, let's do it. So what you need most likely is a small screw set, one of these little specialist things. And you'll need to take this off first thing, the old knob. So take off the cap. I don't want to damage this. So there you go. $130, far out. Off you go. It's off, and you'll see a little screw inside, Phillips screw. Now from the schematics I've seen, well, that's not going to open it, so I'll have to use a proper screwdriver. From the schematics I've seen, it's got a bearing and a bushing for this handle. Okay, let's put this aside. All right, so you just unscrew that. There's nothing wrong with this handle, but I think the power knob is just going to make it easier to fight bigger fish if needed. So it screws out. I can see the washer. I can see the bearing in there. So just hold this in so it doesn't all fall out. See, and then you got the bushing in there and the bearing in there, so we'll just have to take that out. Alright, so pop that out and pop the bushing out. See any washers in this thing? You see any washers? I don't think so. No, there's no washers. Look, you can probably get cheaper ones on eBay, but I trust the guys at ISO, man. They know what they're talking about, and these look pretty legit. It's got all the Korean writing, so you know it's legit. Look at that. Is that Korean? Oh no, it's Japanese, sorry. And that is saying that with this power knob, you'll be able to catch bigger kingies in the harbor. Yeah. Right. So it's an A30 size, so it's a smaller size, and it's designed for the Stradics and the smaller Stradics. Well, that fits right in the bushing. Oh, there it is. There's the washer. Just dropped it now. Yeah, oh, there you go. So that goes here. So that washer goes above it. Okay. And that should go in here, shouldn't it? So I've got to open this. So I've got a butter knife. Cover it in some material so you don't damage the handle. Just open it up. There you go. And they don't actually give you a bearing, so we're gonna put this bearing in. Come on, tweezer. Alright, so just put the washer in. And put the bearing in. I don't think it really matters which side it goes, to be honest. Slide the bearing in there. Bearing and bushing in. And now you get the handle, slide it in there. Should fit perfectly. Does it look like it does? And where's that screwdriver? Let's screw it in. Come on, will ya? Let's move this thing out. Let's tighten that. And it's a perfect fit. I could have got the guys at Shinshin to do this for me, but She wanted to share this with you guys and show you how to do it, how easy it is. Just want to make sure it's tight enough. Last thing I want is for it to get loose and fighting a big kingy. Isn't it? I think it's tight. I'll try it one more time. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's tight. Sweet. Put the coverings on. So put on the covering, tighten it up with the butter knife. Ooh, look at that. Oof. Let's whack this on. Tighten it all up. Oof, look at that. Oh, oh, ready for action with that. Kingy! Beautiful.